We first need to get our tamarind paste. We do this by submerging tamarind into water and then mushing the paste off as it dissolves in the water. At the end of that process, you'll be left with a concentration of tamarind that looks like this. Now, I know it will be practically impossible for most people to get raw tamarind, so check the link in my description to find places where you can order tamarind paste from the supermarket. Begin by dissolving tamarind paste in water, creating a luscious tamarind juice. Pour in the tamarind juice with a touch of rosewater and some granulated sugar and then stir until all the crystals dissolve. Fill a glass jug with ice cubes. Now, gently pour in the non-alcoholic beer, leaving a bit of room at the top. Stir it all together. Prepare your glasses by dipping the rim in some simple syrup or lime juice and then coat it in spiced sugar or tahini for that extra kick. Add ice to a glass, pour in the tamarind rose mocktail, and if you're feeling fancy, garnish with a delicate rose petal. Serve immediately and savor this floral tamarind delight.